everyone, this is Sandy of Cranny the Heart, and I'm back with more D-Stash boxes. So it's the usual PayPal US address. Please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com with the numbers that you are interested in. I'm pretty flexible. I know people are going to be in and out. If you just communicate with me that you can't pay right away because you're, at church or at the grocery store or whatever, I totally get that. Just let me know, because some boxes, there's a lot of people asking questions. I want to be able to respond to them to let them know that it's definitely not available or it is available. Again, my email is scoop71@yahoo.com. Just an update. I'm out of breath. Everything has been mailed. I took everything this morning. I think everything was sent priority. So hopefully you'll get it very soon. So I'm going away for the weekend. So I'm trying to get everything out and organized and so forth before I leave. Okay. There's a lot of eclectic things. There's a lot of really good things in here too. So be aware. This is going to be box number 18. And in this box, I have this very large embossing folder. It's 6x6, and it's from Sarah Davies. I also have the dies, these dies. Brand new, never used. I have these dies by Tonic. And this is box 18. I also have these Tim Holtz coffee stamps, never used. I have the Crocodile Corner Chomper. I love my Corner Chomper. I use it all the time. I have this confetti punch that I never used because I have a different confetti punch. So I'm just going to use that. I don't need to. And then this tag punch. I only use this like one time, but it makes these fold over tags. And then this 3-in-1 flag pennant, or whatever it's called, punch. So this box is number 18, and it is $38. A couple extra bucks because it's freaking heavy. Okay, 38 bucks, and this stuff is like primo, usable, wonderful stuff that I myself own and use for the most part. Okay. So if you want box 18, I need to make sure I write the box number on here because I scrooged myself and had to rewatch my own videos because I didn't do that properly. Okay. Then I have, this is number 19, and this one is a, what do you call it? What does she call it? The Planner Society. So I have, it's just chock full of Planner Society stuff. And no particular kits. These are just items that I haven't used, and like I said, I'm cleaning out everything. So a variety of papers, including vellum and these like plastic type papers. And there's also a couple of Mommy Lay stuff in here as well. Mostly this is Planner Society. Okay, so there's that. I'll try to get everything out of here. So there's going to be multiple videos. I have any of the washi that I had not opened, I included. So here are some of the, oh, there's another one in here. And I love her washi. So it's these washis that are included. And then here are some of the embellishments that are included that I just never used, or I might have used one piece of it. We've got puffy stickers and regular stickers, and these are the, like the, I don't know what these are. They're cute little tab things. This is a little thing that came in one of them. Sticky notes. Sticky notes. Those little wood things. These are pockets. These are like God, not glass, like plastic. Charms, sticker book, sticky notes, cards, sticky notes, stickers, sticky notes. This is, I haven't even opened this, but this is the Sticker Society. So these are the sticker sheets that come in the month. Sticky notes and page flags and sticky notes. Clips. There's a ton. Okay, so all of this is included. This is number 19, and it's also well, I'm going to say it's $35 because it was very hard to part with this stuff because I just wanted to collect it. And the thing is that I can't just collect. I have to use, right? And I do believe eventually I'll probably use a lot of this stuff. But, you know, when, right? And then it gets lost, and then I spent my time, you know, cleaning it all up. All this back in here. Okay. So this is box, well, it's not really a box, but number 19. You say box, I know what you mean. It's kind of like when people say card catalog, and we don't even have a card catalog anymore. I know what they mean. Okay. Excuse me. All right, I've got 2 boxes that have Maggie Holmes. So this is the first one. This is going to be box number 20. And this one is $45 shipped. Now remember, all my prices include postage. I know someone asked me that. I can't remember. Did I not say that? I might not have said that. Who knows? But they do. Includes this Happiness is Homemade. It includes this Hey Mister. It includes the carousel chipboard, the carousel paper. That one's sealed. It includes the Maggie Holmes washi, the Maggie Holmes stickers, this Webster's Love Story, Prima Nature Garden, excuse me, these floral thickers, these Bo Bunny, I think it's Genevieve, Bo Bunny, these layered stickers, Yuletide, this one, which is Christmas in the Village, it's these cork stickers, Cottontail chipboard stickers. These cork stickers, this bling, you can see that bling. These DIY shop muslin bags. These Maggie Holmes stickers. This one's Love You, and this one says Dream. And this Maggie Holmes stamp. Okay, so this one is box number 20, and it's $45, and I'll be back with another video.